Hi friends, in this class I will teach you how to use vEditor to create and edit files in Linux operating system. vEditor is the standard editor used in almost all the companies to create, edit, modify files in Linux operating system. So the vEditor is the most popular and commonly used Unix text editor. It is usually available in all Linux distributions. So in vEditor we have two modes. Basically we work with these two modes. Usually they say it is three modes, that is the command mode, insert mode and escape mode. So escape mode is nothing but you have to press escape and come out of the command mode if you are in command mode. So whenever you open a file in vEditor, it usually goes to the command mode. And when you press escape, when you press the I key, it gets into the insert mode. So let us see how to use these modes in vEditor. So to open a file or to create a file, use the command va space file name. Va space file name to create a file. Va space, say Redhat is the name of the file, enter. So this is the file which I want to edit. So this file already has some contents in it. I will open a new file, vi space say admin. Okay, press enter. So this will open a new file called admin, and it will put you in command mode. So this is whenever you open a file, it will open in command mode. Press I key to enter insert mode. You can type data in the insert mode. Press I to enter insert mode. Press escape to come out of insert mode. When you come out of insert mode, you go to the command mode. Okay, so press I to enter insert mode. In insert mode, you can type data into the system and press escape to come out of insert mode. So right now I will press I to enter insert mode. So type the data here. Say whatever you want to put into this file. So once you type data, press escape to come out of insert mode. If you want to operate on the data, you should be in the command mode. Okay, so press escape to come out of insert mode if you are in insert mode. If you want to undo any last change, use the U command in command mode. So type U, simply type U in command mode, it will undo your previous changes. Okay, so type U, it will undo your changes. If you want to redo the undone changes, press Ctrl R. Ctrl R will redo the changes undone by you. So this file is, so if you press U, you can see that all the lines have disappeared here, and when you type Ctrl R, all the lines are appearing again. So this is how you use the U command in command mode. If you want to open a new line from the line where you have positioned the cursor, say I have positioned the cursor in the second line, I want to open a new line below this line, then I use the U, you use the O command, O. in command mode. When you type O, it will open a new line below the line where cursor is present. Okay, you can type your data here. Say so. This is how you open a new line below the line where cursor is present. So press escape to go back to command mode. Say you want to uh, insert a line above the line where cursor is present. So position the cursor on the line above which you want to open a new line and type capital O in command mode. Type capital O, that is shift and O to type capital O. Shift and O will open a new line above the line where cursor is present. So to open a new line above the line where cursor is present, type capital O and it will put you in insert mode. So type your data here. Press escape to come out of the command mode. How to copy a line. To copy a line, use the command YY. First, position your file in command mode and type YY to copy a line. Position the cursor which you want to copy and type YY to copy that line. And to paste the copied line below the line where cursor is present, type P. Say you want to paste below the line where below this particular line where you have positioned the cursor, type P. P to paste the line below the line where cursor is present. Say you have already copied this line. Say you want to paste this copied line above this particular line. Say I want to paste the copied content above this particular line, above the second line. Then you position the cursor on the second line and type capital P. How to type capital P in command mode? Shift and small p. Shift and P will give you capital P. So this will allow you to paste the copied content on the line above the line where your cursor is positioned. Okay, so this is how you copy and paste command lines in Linux. I'll show you one more time. Say you want to copy this line. So position the cursor on the line which you want to copy and type double Y to copy the line. Say you want to paste the copied content below the line where cursor is present, type small p. First position your cursor on that particular line below which you want to paste the copied content and type small p. So it will paste the copied content below the line where you position the cursor. Say you want to paste it above the line above the line on which your cursor is present. Then position your cursor on that line and then use capital P to uh, capitalize P. Use shift and P to capitalize it, so it will become. So you have pasted the copied content above the line where cursor is present. So this is about yanking, that is copying YY P to